Hi everybody, today we'll have a look at the Gantt chart. So I already prepared my flow regarding this type of chart. I upload the data. In this case I have a sample data for the Gantt chart that I can use. It's uploaded. I have a look at the type of data and I investigate the columns. In this case I want to change type of the date in order to be actually a date time type, both for the start and end date, and I save the changes. Once that is done, let's dive directly into the plot section where I create a new plot. In this case, I'm looking for the Gantt chart. I select it. I select the type of data that I want to use for that chart. I can start selecting different columns that I want to analyze. I want the task. I want to understand the start date and the end date. And here already we have a preview of the chart. Additionally, because I also have a resource column, I select it. And finally, I'm able to create the plot. Here it is. We have our beautiful Gantt chart created. To get an even better view, I'm able to hide the legend. And that's it.